Hello everyone, how are you all? Come, let's learn Mehendi. Okay, how to learn the Mehendi? This is a basic elements of Mehendi I'm going to teach you. The first part is like lines. See, whenever you're drawing a line, you touch the surface, whatever, either it is a paper or something, just touch the line and drag the line completely with a Mehendi cone. Okay, don't touch the surface, make it like this. Okay, now coming to the humps. How to draw the humps? See, first make a line, then down you take the Mehendi cone and draw humps. See, if you feel difficulty in drawing humps, there is another way. You can make a reference line down of the main line, then you can make humps on it. Okay, see, now you can see I made a line. Now I'm going to make a reference line and make like U. How we make U, no? Letter U. The same like that. Make it small. Okay. Now coming to the third element is spiral. How to draw a spiral? As you all know how to draw a circle. The same way you have to make it 3. See, whenever you are making spiral, you make it 3 circle inside. Okay. Coming to the next one. Next is dots. See, whenever you are making any dots in Mehendi, give pressure in from the cone. Okay, so make pressure more, then you can able to make a dots. See, you have to give high pressure. If you give high pressure, it will come a big dot. If you give low pressure, then according to that it will give dots. See, coming to lines plus dots. First make a line, then on the line give pressure from the cone. Okay, yes, like this. Coming to the next one, spiral plus humps. See, in the dots also we can make a different kinds of dots, like either big, small combination, or small, big, or anything as per your wish. Coming to the next one is spiral plus humps. Make a spiral as I told you, like 3 circle inside, and make 4 lines on the top, down, left and right of your corner. Then make a humps. Then coming to the next one, now I am making like lines, humps, and also spiral with humps. As you can see, I made a line and humps, then above that I made a spiral, again I made a humps. Coming to the teardrops. What is teardrops? Like giving pressure and dragging the cone. See how I am doing? Give pressure and drag the cone down. This is called teardrops. You can make either 5 teardrops or 7, like this. Some combos you can make as per your wish. These all will be used in the Mehendi. Whenever you are drawing anything, there will be humps, there will be dots, there will be a combination of spiral. And coming to the next one is vines. See, first make a line and give pressure from the cone, then drag it down. So teardrops and the vines are totally different. The vine, we need more practice, then only it come perfectly. See, first give one line, then pressure, then line. Give one line, pressure, then line. Give one line, pressure, and line. Make sure whatever you are giving pressure, the pressure should be equal in all the leaves. All the vines, the pressure should be equal, then only it looks nice. If either like small or big, it doesn't look nice. Either you can make 5 vines or 7 combo of vines or 3 combo of vines as per your wish. Now these all the basic elements of Mehendi as you saw. Then finally to the last one is circle. See, whatever you are drawing in the Mehendi, either in the paper or in the hand, don't touch the surface. Try to drag it so that the Mehendi comes smoothly. So now we done with the Mehendi, or basic elements of Mehendi. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.